Hi, this is Dean from Worldwide Trekking. I want to talk about flights and visas and all the things that you need to get to Tanzania, Africa for your Kilimanjaro climb or safari. So you've now committed to going over, you're trained, you've geared up, you're all ready to go. And buying a flight is important. It's good to think about buying flights well over a month in advance. You know, there's kind of a sweet spot. If you buy it too early, the price can be high and you can watch it for a while. We do have a recommendation of somebody that can help you book flights if you'd like. We do recommend that you don't use a third party vendor. So, not buying something through Expedia or something that's really hard to change if your plans change. And when you make a deposit for your climb, we recommend that you purchase travel insurance. Travel insurance, if you buy the right kind of travel insurance, like cancel for any reason travel insurance, you know, things can come up. Oftentimes, people are preparing for a Kilimanjaro climb a year, 6 months or more in advance, and things can come up. You can have a family emergency, you could have a training injury, you could have a personal thing that got in the way of you being able to go on the climb. And that travel insurance is going to help you recover your flights, the cost of your trip, and the things that are non-refundable. That being said, when you purchase travel insurance, we use Travel Guard, and you can contact the office about the specifics of that. But it does need to be purchased within 14 days of making your deposit. So it's not something that, like, after you make the deposit and are coming on the climb, then a couple weeks before the trip have a problem and buy insurance and have it recovered. It has to be done within 2 weeks of making your commitment and your deposit on the climb. So once you've made your deposit and you've gotten your travel insurance, you want to look into flights. The best flight route from the United States to Tanzania, Africa, is through Amsterdam. AMS is the airport code in Amsterdam, Netherlands. And if you connect anywhere USA to Amsterdam, from Amsterdam, there is one direct flight each day on KLM Airlines. And Tanzania, Kilimanjaro, airport code JRO, is not a massive airport with a number of terminals. It's basically a large tarmac strip with one building where million plus people a year land to go on safaris and to climb in Tanzania on Kili, but it's not a massive airport, so there's not a whole lot of flight options. That main flight option on KLM Airlines is the best direct route. So you could connect to Amsterdam, from Amsterdam, fly directly into Kilimanjaro International Airport. There are ways to go through Qatar and fly on Qatar Airlines, or maybe two-leg it through Nairobi, Kenya. Those all add complications and connections and baggage things that I think the direct route is probably the best. Upon arrival, lastly, you're going to need to have a visa when you arrive in Tanzania, Africa. So as a U.S. citizen with a U.S. passport, you will need to purchase a visa. And they do sell visas right at the airport when you land. You can buy a visa there for $100, a multi-entry visa that lasts for 1 year in Tanzania, although you only need it one time. Or for us, we recommend that our guests actually get their visa prior to arriving in Tanzania. We'll link the link below. We use a visa processing agent called G3 Visas, and they're able to online submit the paperwork, pay for your visa, and get your visa prior to arriving in Tanzania. It saves you a step when you get over there. You get off the plane, you've got your visa, you've got your passport, and you clear customs, you collect your bag, you walk outside, and a Worldwide Trekking representative will be waiting for you, and you'll go start your trip. If you have any questions about the flights, the visas, or travel insurance, don't hesitate to contact our office. We're always happy to help. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and contact us if you have any questions. It really helps us out.